You guys, we got a PR package! Ah! Ellie called me on the phone and was like, screaming, did you get your It Cosmetics PR package? And I was devastated. I was like, no, what package? And she's like, we got a full range of foundations! And I was like, this has never happened before! And honestly, this isn't their full range. This is just like all the light shades. Because they know our shades now. Not only is it the top part that comes out like this, so cute. This is what came in the bottom. I haven't tried this. I didn't even know how to try it. Do you like it?
I did like it. I think it is really good and promotes
good circulation.
Yeah, I see like stimulation.
I did smell these two things. The Confidence in a Cream neck cream. It smells like you want to eat it. And the Confidence in a Cream rosy tone for aging skin. How beautiful is that? Are you kidding me? And it smells like roses.
This is It Cosmetics' new Confidence in a Foundation. It's oil-free, it's for all skin types, it's long-wearing, whiteless, full coverage. It is a velvet matte finish.
This is what we have on our face right now. So today's video, we're just gonna show you our foundation routine. Typically, we're the lightest shade in everything. If there's a foundation color, if there's a concealer color, we're like the lightest ones.
I feel like right now though,
I'm gonna be the second. I'm gonna go the second to lightest. That's because we've had like tan around, we've been in the sun just a little bit. But I wanted to show you guys, so in foundations, and I didn't know this for like a hot minute after I started to wear foundation. So if you notice, it comes in light ivory and light shell C, but they're both like the two lighted, yeah, they're basically the same shades, except one has a neutral undertone and one has a cool undertone. And if you have the wrong tone, it really does throw your makeup off. Like it just looks different.
Because then the third one in is neutral, but if you look at the neutral versus the cool one is a much pinker shade and the neutral is more of a yellow base. If we were to put yellow on our skin, we'd look sickly. We need that pink undertone.
See, and I would rather, I think she pulls more cool and I pull more warm.
The yellow.
The yellow. If anything, I need to put a yellow foundation on me and she needs to put the more pink foundation on her, just because because I have so much more red in my skin. If I was to put pink on, oh, that would be awful. Anyway, pay attention to that when you're looking for foundations, because I think that could make or break your foundation.
Foundation is hard. I feel like it's like not a one size fits all.
Prime the pump, prime the pump, prime the pump. Keep priming the pump, keep priming the pump. Okay, so this is the third one in.
This is the second one in.
Let's see. Yeah, I'll probably do the second one in.
And I really like just like blending it on your wrist. Oh, that's full coverage, baby.
I'm excited to try this.
That looks like it will do.
It's hard when I put foundation on because my skin is really red on my face from the rosacea, and my neck is more white than my body. So when I match to my body, I just don't even look at my neck because I know it's not gonna match, and I blend it down on my neck. It really depends on the occasion. If I'm not gonna be wearing that much makeup, I'll match to my neck.
Where's my beauty blender?
Oh, well, here's yours, because it's clean. What the heck did I do with mine?
It's on the ground.
Oh my gosh, I lose my beauty blender every video. This is very exciting.
Yes, and it's full coverage, and when I put it on my wrist, I don't need to use a lot, I can tell.
I put way too much on my face because look how much
it'll blend out. Like it's it's moussey.
Yeah.
It's thick.
It goes longer way than I thought. So honestly, I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm like dabbing the excess off onto my paper towel. I need to wipe half of this off my face. No lie, look, I literally have to wipe like everything off my chin.
I can already tell a little goes a long way.
Which is so nice in a foundation.
See, and I'm not even putting any on my forehead. I'm just like bringing it up. It doesn't feel heavy and it's already dry. It's already matte. I should not have put some over here because it dries fast. I would not want to apply this with just like a brush. I feel like
a wet,
like a dry brush would like Oh, did I just do it on my hair? I'm sure I didn't.
Well, I'm trying to be so careful not to like put it in my earring.
I'm pretty sure I just got it all over the back of my hair. I had some acne. I'm having a really hard time with acne right now. And I just covered that really beautifully.
Okay, this is definitely full coverage. Some people don't like that. Some people do. I'm kind of loving it.
I didn't put near as much on as you, but I'm looking at yours and it's still very beautiful that you like. It's like very beautiful, so you can shear it down and have it not be so like,
which is good because you're doing a lighter look in the next video and I'm doing a more heavy look, so this is kind of fun.
This is perfect. Like, I put so much on my hand and I literally only put a little on my face. I have another little zit right here that I'm gonna
it's literally transforming my skin, that's for sure.
I like the color. Like, I'm not too pink. I'm not, like, it looks really good. I'm going to put a little on my neck, though, just.
It is hard to find a foundation in, like, really pale shades that don't turn, like, really pink or really yellow. And I feel like this neutral truly is a neutral because it isn't pulling one way or another.
It looks so good on my neck.
If I didn't like this, I just probably wouldn't say a whole lot. Like, I would just be like, oh, this is like nice.
Just trying it for the day.
Yeah, but honestly,
I'm happy.
I think I like it a lot. I wouldn't wear this in the middle of the summer because I don't like to wear a heavy. This is a good, like,
photo shoot. This is good. Yeah. Like, date night.
Yeah, totally. All right, look, same color. We're doing good.
I could see if you had problematic skin. See, look, I look really scary. I could see if you have problematic skin and you wore this, it could get patchy if you have super dry skin. And it does not transfer. I do like that about foundations, especially when I'm like with my kids all day kissing them. I have so much more foundation on my hand. This foundation will last you forever.
Okay, so we're gonna move on to concealer, and I'm again wearing the lightest color in neutral.
And I'm wearing the lightest color in cool.
That's funny.
Mine has a lot of pink undertone and hers is definitely just more neutral. I typically just use my beauty blender and blend out my concealer. Today, because my eyes are so tired, I'm just spraying it with this dewy mist from Tatcha. And this kind of just helps it not crease as much to me. It gives it more hydration. And because I am so tired, I need that right now. Because I feel like when I'm tired, my under eyes tend to crease.
Yeah, because they probably are more dry too, do you think?
Yes.
And just like the under eye. Yeah, next time I'll have a fresh beauty blender so I don't offend you guys.
Or me.
It's pretty gnarly right now.
Like, look how much difference it looks just getting your concealer done. I look alive!
Well, I just look like a ghost right now. This is because I'm not used to wearing such a full coverage base. It definitely is like masked. Like, I need to get the other steps on.
I think when you do wear a full coverage face, it is really important that you do all of the steps and add color back into your face.
So before I put powder on, I'm gonna go through where I know I crease and I'm gonna re-pat out my forehead because I was like scrunching my forehead, lifting my eyebrows up, putting my concealer on. And then like in my nose area and like my smile line because I don't want to powder over makeup that has creased. And I'm gonna do my, I set my eyes first because I don't want that, like that's the most important thing to me that doesn't crease.
I've kind of felt like my under eyes have been like transformed when I have used this powder. This is the Derma Blend powder. That's a very brightening.
Okay, all the shades that I use this powder to set only where I had the concealer. And this powder has coverage, and that's what I wanted. I wanted lighter coverage where I put my concealer. And then for the rest of my face, I'm just gonna use translucent powder to set it with. I usually don't put powder on my face other than my under eye. I'm breaking this out. This is the Becca Be a Light face palette. They have like a bronzer and a face powder. It's more of like a
there's a little shimmer in the face powder, and I feel like because this is a matte foundation, it would be appropriate to add like a little bit on my chin and my forehead.
I'm gonna use Ellie's bronzer today because I want to try it. Oh, it's shattered.
I know.
Oh, it's been shattered. Oh, that's how it came when you got it. I've been wanting to try this. Oh,
it's good.
Dang it.
It's from It Cosmetics. It's one of my favorite bronzers I've ever used.
I know, which is why I've wanted to try it.
So I'm going to use it as well.
I'm going to start on my forehead so I know how heavy to go.
And lately I've been using a really small brush to contour, and then I'll go back in with this fluffy brush like what Bonnie's using to kind of blend it out.
Can you hear the kids laughing?
I don't even know what they're doing. Heaven bless them.
I love it. I love it. I definitely
love
like
bronzer.
the color. Yeah, I was going to say I'm loving the color.
And I've never said that before. I've never been like, I love bronzer, because I would hate it because I'd always have such a harsh line. I just feel like I've, one, gotten a little better out blending it out and not having the line be so harsh, and this color just is perfect.
Easy to work with.
Mm-hmm.
And it smells good. Is that me thinking things?
No,
or does it smell good?
I think that might... I just touched on my nose. I don't know.
I think it smells good.
So I just was thinking, my memories of growing up with my mom, she was on her couch and she would call her sisters all the time. She was on the phone all the time with her sisters and brothers. Well, my kids' memories are going to be, oh, Mom was filming a video, but we got to be with our cousins. Mm-hmm. How fun is that?
Yeah, I remember all the time my mom and my aunt doing makeup videos or whatever.
Yeah, that's funny.
Fun. I worry a lot about my kids seeing me on the phone. Like, in fact, sometimes I'll hide being on my phone. Like,
if I'm in bed?
Yeah, or like if I'll go in the bathroom so they don't see me or something. Whether it's like working or leisure. Because they don't know the difference. Like, they don't know if I'm working or if I'm leisure, you know. I think every mom worries about their kids looking back and being like, Mom was always on the phone. I don't want that. Like, I don't want that. But I never look back and think, oh, Mom was always on the phone. It was a good thing. Yeah, I liked that she was on the phone. We would sit at her feet and she would call her sisters. Or her mom.
That was Mom's me time.
Yeah, that's what she did. That was fun for her.
Okay, so now that my bronzer is done, I'm going to take that fluffy brush and just kind of just lightly buff all of it to blend it. And I used to not do that because I always thought if you pull that bronzer down, what's the point of like bronzing right there? But you want it to be blended. So it's taken me a long time to learn.
I've tried like doing like a more structured contour on my nose. I just can't do it. I don't know how. I'm not that talented. So I literally just take the brush kind of big and add some color. I'm not contouring it. I'm literally just like adding some color to it so that it's not just like a white blob in the middle of my nose. This is what I do.
Well, I think it's pretty when people contour their nose, but I also think it's flattering just to have color there.
Yeah.
Like, it's more flattering than the two lines. You know, I try.
Because if I was to do it, it would look like two lines. If I knew what I was doing, it could be like a snatched nose, but I just can't. I don't know how. And you can see how many times we've dipped back into the bronzer. You don't go ham the first dip. You just build up to it. And that's what gives you that really airbrushed look, in my opinion. I mean...
Yes, and it makes it so you can blend it. Because if I've done it before where I just slap that bronzer on, it's impossible to blend out because there's so much and you can't disperse it. So
yeah,
like right now, this is like a really even, like this looks great. And naturally by doing that, I look like I have like highlighter above my eyebrows. I've had photographers comment like, do you put highlight on your outer corner of your lips? I'm like, no, because when I
just don't touch it.
Because when I bronze right here, I just bronze a little right here, but then it naturally highlights that outer corner. It looks really good. I do not want to just slap makeup on to look good on a camera and then go out in public and have someone be like, crease mess or cakey or anything. And I feel like,
did you see Mother! We need a new bronzer.
Mailman, don't kick my dang bronzer. He's the one that broke it. He dropped the box and kicked it.
Okay, so let's de-dust ourselves real quick.
I have white pants on. from Bollie brand. They're high-waisted.
So cute.
They're paper bag.
They're new.
Stand up, girl. Look how good those look.
They're so cute. I like showing you guys the way that I mix my makeup. I have a lot of makeup, but I use the same shades over and over to create different looks. And
You're good at that.
Yeah, I love mixing them because I want this color that I usually use, but I need a little more pink. So I'm using the pink color to like mix them, you know?
Love it.
Okay.
I'm going more for the neutral look, and so I'm just using my one blush. I like how Bonnie mixes her blushes. How I do it is I add my neutral blush, and then at the very end, I'll add just a little pop of pink over it because my blush is already blended, and this won't just like stick to my foundation. So that's how I do my blush if I add a pop. Oh, cool. So you mix it, and I just layer it.
So I mix those two, and now I'm gonna take the more like shimmery pink, because this is almost like a highlighter for your cheeks. You know, it's not like a direct highlight, it's like a just like a pinky glow. I'm gonna take the highlighter palette and literally dip into all three of these because
they're all just beautiful.
They're all just good.
I like the packaging of this because it's all just waves. It's just really pretty.
Oh, it is pretty. That came in our kit, huh?
Ooh, I like it.
Usually I'll set it twice because I feel like it needs it. I don't think it needs it. I'm gonna wait till I'm done.
I'm gonna set my makeup. This is the Morphe setting spray. Bonnie gave it to me. I've used so many setting sprays. This is by far my favorite. Eyebrows are a game changer. If you only have time to do like a few makeup items, I would put eyebrows on the top of your list.
Yeah. Because, so today we're not gonna do our eyes in this video, and that is how I love doing my makeup in the summertime, is like your foundation, your eyebrows, and then really just like leaving your eyes blank. I feel like that's so pretty and light for summer, and I'm not gonna have my eyelash extensions on for the summer because I do want that just like naked eye look. I just think it's so pretty with just a little bit of mascara on the top and the bottom. It's just light and pretty. You always go in with a lip liner, do you?
I like to do lip liner.
And I just don't. I think I don't because I don't like love the shape of my lips maybe. I don't know.
What?
Well, they're crooked, and so instead of like correcting them with the liner, I don't want to put the liner on crooked, so I just don't put it on at all. And I don't know, I just keep it more simple maybe. I don't know, I don't keep anything simple, so keeping my lipstick simple maybe. What do you guys think? I'm in love. I
feel very dolled up.
Oh, cute.
And not heavy.
No.
I like that this is not heavy at all.
It feels good.
It was the Matte Velvet Plus from Forever. Forever Matte Velvet Plus is what I used to wear, and that was more heavy. This is not heavy.
No, I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know what you think in the comments. And all of the products that we used will be in the description below for you guys if you want to check them out. Also, our new spring line, we'll leave our website to our clothing line in the description as well.
See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.